boys. What's good? What's good? Um, Let me get to the review of today, January 14, 2026. Today is Wednesday. I know we all got stuff to do, so I would really appreciate if you stay and watch this video. Maybe y'all can learn something, and then yeah, it also works as my track record on my way to getting my payout, right? So let's get started. Before we start, as I mentioned, yesterday I uploaded a video and y'all saw I passed my account yesterday, so that's good for me. Today I got my new account, and the reason I'm saying that is just because I want y'all to understand this execution right here. Today we were trading the MNQH, which is the micro NQ contract, and I just tested to see, if everything was correct, if the trades I wanted to place were executing. So I entered a short, got out immediately. I just lost that commission for entering the contract. And then this right here is my actual trade. But unfortunately, I forgot to what's it called to record, you know, and I'm really sorry about that. But y'all are seeing the executions, and that's the only trade I took, right? So yeah, it was a break-even trade. It was a break-even trade, and then unfortunately, since I started recording late, I'm really sorry about that. This is the only picture I can show. Uh, so yeah, I had a sell stop order in here just because the structure on the 15 minute looked more bearish than bullish, right? The only way I was gonna go bullish was if I had seen some highs get taken over here. But in the meantime, I was bearish. All I wanted to see was bearish order flow on the Bookmap. That's all I needed to see, right? And I saw it. But that was before this. But if I can show you guys, y'all can see these rectangles over here. That means that was a lot of liquidity right there. Okay, that was a lot of liquidity. So price market open. There's also this red rectangle. A lot of buy orders right here, trying to push price higher. But sellers were stronger, right? So y'all can see this green bubble right here. There was a lot of buyers, right? The bubbles, red bubbles mean sellers. Green bubbles mean buyers. So you can see this green bubble is bigger than all these bubbles. That means price should have gone up. But at the time, since the structure was bearish, I didn't, pay much attention to it, and I was just seeing if all these orders were gonna push price above the GEX5, which is this blue line. Price never did, so I entered a short position. And as price dropped down, that's when I went short, right? And then as price was going down, I threw stop loss, and then it took me out before heading lower. After this, price went up, made some highs, but I was just not interested in it anymore. And then yeah, that was it, So because of the trailed, so you can say answer 25,744.25. That's the same entry right here, and I got out at 741. So I made I think it was like, I don't know, like $50, like 25, something like that, and that's all I did, bro. You can see the TradeAway account down here, um, and yeah, that's all I did. Unfortunately, this candle right here, um, um, retrace back because this candle when this candle opened, it did this: open, low, high, close. You know that stuff. So I was in profit down here, and then because of this was the market open, price went all the way up here, retested the GEX5, and then went lower. But when I saw that big push lower, I never expected price to retrace all the way up, which is this drop right here. So when I saw this, I was like, price is gonna continue going lower. So I chose stop loss and then immediately went higher right here, as you can see, boom, and it took me out. So it was a shame. I've taken this trade so many times, and this doesn't happen that often. So I guess if I continue taking trades like this, uh, I'm definitely on my way to building a good buffer and getting a payout. I think that's all for today. Yeah, I was also targeting these lows right here. As you can see, these big red blocks right here. Price um, continue going lower later on, and yeah, if I hadn't trailed stop loss, um, it I would have definitely made some really good profit, maybe like $500, which was a good first trade. It was a good first start of that account, but not a problem. We still got tomorrow, and then I'm positive on the week. I think tomorrow I will go a little bit lighter on the micros. Just if I see a really good setup, I'll take it. But just for the fact of staying of keeping the week positive, and not turning it from positive into red. That's just it, But we'll see tomorrow what brings. We cannot describe the future. So that is it, boys. And as you can see right here, market continue expanding lower right there. Boom. And then price made a new high. And yeah, that's it. You can see right there, price made a new high. Oh, and then you can see right here, yesterday it was 53,000. Today is 50,000. So you can see right there, right, that I definitely got my new account. So thanks for watching, guys. If y'all have any question, please let me know. Really, I can really help you guys.